for me, it just the faculty that tops it is Professor Parimal Merchant. I mean, that guy really knows what he's talking about. There is no bullshit, there is no jargon, there is nobody telling you blue ocean strategy and white ocean strategy and all of that. He's telling you, look, this is reality. What are you going to do in this reality? And you need somebody to tell you that. You really need somebody to bring you, supposing I have this very niche business idea, he's really going to bring those typical Gujarati questions that my father's going to bring to me, that paisa kaise bana, tu kevi rite banao se paisa, whatever. All of that. So he really knows what he's talking about. And more than in class, learning in class is the one-on-one discussions that you got to steal him away, sit with him, speak with him, get whatever you can, and that's the learning. So for me, it's Professor Parimal Merchant. Professor Moradian, he's straight. He's both of them. Both these professors are straight. They don't tell you anything that is not true, and their honesty is what comes out in their teaching. So it's Professor Moradian for me as well. Professor Nimish Rathod is a wonderful teacher. He knows how to feel the pulse of the class and get the students to pay attention. Sometimes teachers struggle with that because we're all in our own moods most of the time. But he really knows how to get even the most non-interested student look at him for at least half an hour and be like, shit, मैंने कुछ सीखा आज. It was a good session. This is Professor Nimish Rathod for me as well. So for me, these three professors are just, I'd like to have relations with them throughout my life. I'd always learn from them.